together our roots are strong. Rikasi, land of the brave. With your rivers, your hills will always say. Through the rain, through the sun, our journey's just begun. In the heart of Rikasi we are free, bound by love, our history. From the stone bridges to the sacred caves, the stories of our people, the life that we crave, the laughter of children on the village road.